Assalamu alaikum first year. Today we are doing exercise 6.2 question number 3. This is very important question. You must write or didn't note it. Just for very important questions you must write it with stars or anything. These type of questions are mostly given in papers as they are important and very small. Here an is given. An represents the 4 plus 3n, and they want to find an plus 1 and a2n. If you want to find an plus 1, here an we will replace n by n plus 1. Here it is given n, we replace n by n plus 1 from left hand side, also from the right hand side. We replace n by n plus 1. Simplify it and we will get an plus 1 as 3n plus 7. For a2n, we will replace n by 2n from left side and right side both. A2n will be replace n by 2n here, and it will become 4 plus 6n. It's very short. It can be, the question can be changed. We can calculate a3n. How do we calculate 3n? By replacing n by 3n here and n by 3n this time, and it will change the question. Questions can be changed in the paper, so you should understand the concept. Next question is question number 4. Find the indicated term of each of the sequence. In this, a is given and d is given. If a is given and d is given, and they want to find out a14, a1 represents the first term and d represents difference. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for arithmetic sequence. If a is d is given, for a14, n value is 14. So it will become a plus 13d. We will put the value of a and d. This will get 94. So a14, yeah, or the number or the 14th term is a 94. And the next part here, the sequence is given. Not a can is the first term, and how can we calculate d? By subtracting the second term from the subtracting first term from the second term, or third term from or second term from the third term. We can subtract 3 minus 8, we will get minus 5. If we subtract minus 2 minus 3, it will also give us the same minus 5. Subtracting any two consecutive terms, we will get d. Again, we want to find out 12, then the a plus 11d. For 12 it is 11d, for 13 it is 12d. We will put the value of a and d and we will get the 12th term. Question number 7 next. The rest of the questions we will do after Eid, inshallah. Here 2x, these are the three terms are in AP. They want to find the value of x. As I told you that the d can be calculated as by subtracting first term from the second term. We will subtract x plus 8 and minus 2x will be subtracted from this. We will get 8 minus x. From these two subtractions, we will subtract 3x plus 1 and minus x minus 8. This term will be subtracted from the final term. In this case, we will get 2x minus 7. As d is the same in arithmetic sequence, it will subtract these two or these two. So we will put d is equal to d, 8 minus x is equal to 2x minus 7, and we can calculate the value of x. You can just send me your names for, I'm not giving any question, but make the notes of exercise 6.2 and send me your names.